Here's a simple step-by-step guide to stop Google from tracking your activity. First, open your browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to manage. This is where Google stores all your search, YouTube, Maps, and app activity. Under Web and App Activity, tap Turn Off. This stops Google from saving your searches, browsing history, and activity from apps you use. You can also uncheck Include Chrome History and Include Audio Recordings for extra privacy. Go back and choose Location History. Toggle the switch to turn it off. This prevents Google Maps and other apps from logging where you go or storing your travel routes. Next, select YouTube History. Turn this off to stop Google from tracking videos you watch, videos you search for, your YouTube recommendations. You can also disable Include YouTube Audio History for more privacy. Stopping tracking doesn't delete past activity. So, if you want to clear everything, tap Delete, then choose Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, Delete All Time. This wipes all previously stored information from your Google account. And that's it. You've now stopped Google from tracking your activity.